of hell.
It is not God's way. It is your way. I am merely the result of the world that refuses to understand. We are not punished for the crimes we committed, are we? The world is not afraid from the villainous acts I have done. They are afraid of my appearance. They punish me. They punish us Paraja. Punish anyone who they conduct with respect. Lord Frodo, he didn't save me. He trapped me so he could control me. The church, it wasn't meant to be my home. He meant it to be my prison. Today of Christmas, everybody in